Friends, listeners, seekers, welcome to the Aquarian Transmission. I'm Sterling McCormick, and today's message doesn't come from me. Not really. I'm merely a vessel, a conduit. I speak in the name and authority of Brahbata, the Buddha of the Age of Aquarius, the Lord of the Flies, and on this day, there is a message of congratulations for Ukraine on its national holiday. Know this. Feel this. The citizens of Europe, they stand with you. Firmly. Unshakably. It's not just a sentiment. It's a fact. Responsible leaders across the continent, they've pledged it. Unwavering support. Political, social, and yes, military. All of it. All of it to guide Ukraine toward a lasting, a true peace. Can you feel it? That shift? It's happening right now. The world stage. It's been dominated by the same old powers for, well, forever. But now there's a new voice. It's Europe. 440 million souls, stepping forward. This isn't just diplomacy, people. This is destiny. You can feel it in your bones if you're quiet enough. This is destiny in motion. But here's the thing. The hard truth. Peace. Peace isn't a gift. It's not something you're given. It's something you make. You build it. You fight for it with everything you have, but not with weapons. With will. With unity. We have to. We must abandon those worn paths. The paths of conflict. They lead nowhere but circles. We have to build new ones. Together. So this is a call. From Brahbata. Through me. To every nation. Every leader. Every single person listening to my voice right now. In your car. On your headphones. Walking your dog. Act as one. Just. Act as one. For peace on this planet. Our only home. And to the media. The journalists, the editors, the producers. Your role. Man, your role has never been more vital. More critical. You have to disclose the truth. The whole truth. Document what's happening without bias. Without a slant. You have to ensure information flows freely. It's the lifeblood of a free society. Don't just broadcast news. Broadcast hope. Unite your voices. Amplify peace. The world is watching. The time to act is right now. That's the transmission for today. Sit with that. Feel that. This is Sterling McCormick, signing off, in service to the new age. Be the peace you wish to see. Touch us on brahbata.space. Peace.